Welcome back to my channel. Today we are about to try all of that PR makeup you just saw. At least most of it. Hopefully we can try and incorporate all of what I showed you guys because I'm so excited. I just want to say thank you to all of the brands who sent me something, and let's see how these products work. Also, shout out to Lawless for the mirror because I have been needing one of these. I think my vibe for this makeup look is going to be just bronze summer. I'm gonna practice what we'll be doing this summer because we will be outside, okay? Let's start off with Urban Decay. I have been seeing these all over my TikTok and I cannot wait to use. This is their Face Bond Luminizer. So they come in so many different shades, as you guys saw. Which shade am I? Which one? I'm thinking because I love to be super bronze during the summertime. I'm going to mix these two shades here. This is in the shade Half Baked. This is in the shade High Profile. And typically during the summertime, I do not use primer just because, like I said, I have oily combination skin, but it'd be hot as hell during the summer, okay? And I'm typically probably sweating, so I don't need any, we're not even trying to be matte. We're just gonna embrace the natural sweat glow and pretend it's just like, you know, nice day on the beach. We've been tanning vibe. We're gonna mix those things, okay? Let's see, yeah, let's go in on the hand first. So this is High Profile. And Half Baked. These seem super shiny, so hopefully that isn't too much. Maybe I should apply with a brush. I do remember receiving a brush from Lawless, so let's just use that. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I'm in love. I am in love. Oh, I'm literally glowing already. This is everything. And I will be using this summer. And these products can also be used on the body, which is even better because I love a good body glow. This is so pretty. You can legit just wear this by itself as well. I look like a literal disco ball. I don't know if it's coming off that way on camera. But it's so pretty and I know it's gonna sit beautifully under some foundation. So let's get into that. Next we have Lawless foundations. I'm really excited to try. I'm not sure what kind of foundation it is, so let's pick them up, figure out what shade I am, and let's see if she's worth it. So they sent me 3 shades.
of their Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Foundation. These are the 3 different shades I received. Let's figure out which one will work for me. I want to say maybe mixing these 2 because remember, if you guys remember in my last video, I mentioned how I've been liking to mix foundations. So let's try. These are in the shade 23D and 24D. Again, going to mix them on my hand. Here are the 2 shades next to each other. Let's just see. Honestly, not looking so bad. Not looking so bad. This actually kind of looks flawless. It kind of looks flawless. Feeling a little crazy, I kind of want to apply some of the Urban Decay Luminizer on top of this just to see. So I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay in High Profile. Let's just see. I put some directly on the brush. I actually really like it with the luminizer on top of the foundation as well, so I will be doing this. So we did not receive any concealer, unfortunately, so I'm going to go in with my own. This is the MAC Studio Radiance Concealer in the shade NC45. Apply this under my eyes. And as always, let it dry down a bit, and while we do that, let's contour. This is my new favorite bronzer contour, which is the e.l.f. Camo Bronzer in the shade Deep Intense. This stuff is so good, it's actually ridiculous. And because we're going for summer glow, we're gonna add a bit more to our forehead. Going in with my Say Beauty brush and just buff this all out. I just love how it blends out so seamlessly, like butter. It's amazing. Flawless things are happening over at e.l.f. I'm using a setting brush from Real Techniques. I have absolutely been loving this concealer by MAC, by the way. 10 out of 10. But I do want a brighter under eye, so let's go ahead and add in some more concealer. The one and only that I've been using lately, this is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. Just a dot. Just a dot. While this is setting and drying, I want to go in with this e.l.f. blush. This is the Halo Glow Beauty Wand blush in the shade You Go Cocoa. Perfect bronze, terracotta, like, oh, beautiful. It is a seamless blend to this bronzer, and it is like the perfect, just like flushed shade for the brown girls, okay? I'm only going to put like legit that much. Look at the color of this blush. It is so beautiful. I love this stuff. Like, how perfect. How perfect. And I love to bring my blush up and of course right on the cheeks. Using that same Say brush just on this side, going to go ahead and buff out this concealer. I find that using a small brush when you're just working on the inner corners is literally like, duh, I should have been doing this. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more because why not? I know I said not to be heavy-handed, but hey. Now this is a bright under eye, okay? This is what we came to see. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye with this Pat McGrath under eye powder in the shade Yellow. Next, I do want to get into one of these MAC blushes though. And oh my goodness, there are so many shades. Which one should we choose? So because we went kind of like a darkish reddish for the first blush. I'm thinking let's do something more pink and bright. So I'm thinking this is the one. This is the Stripe Beam Liquid Blush by MAC in the shade Good Vibes. So let's see what she looks like. Super cute, very berry. Let's see if this is super pigmented or if it's buildable. It's looking like it could be super pigmented. Whew, that's beautiful. Maybe that's all I need. Let's not get too crazy. Let's blend her out. Woo! That is beautiful. Wow, I'm feeling it. Yes, MAC. When have they done me wrong? Never. Actually, let's bring some to the nose because summer, right? Bronze, tan. We've been at the beach, babe. Her cheeks are rosy. Yes, I love this. It looks so much cuter on the nose too. Ah! But what shall we try next? I'm thinking I did receive an eyeliner, so let's do that. This is from Sweet Beauty. It is a black eyeliner and something that I've newly added to my makeup routine, so let's try it. Love this, just a classic pencil. So I'm just going to brush them and lightly fill them in. Typically during the summertime, I don't do too much to my brows. I kind of just like to let them be, you know? So what will we try next? I'm thinking it has to be something with the eyes. We did receive shadow sticks from MAC, so let's do that. And I love a good shimmery eye. Let's do that. Here are the shades of shadow sticks we received. I'm leaning more towards this one. Let's all pretend to be shocked. Neutral. This is called the Dazzle Shadow Eyeshadow Stick by MAC in the shade Subliminal Spark. Stop it. Stop it. That's so pretty. No. Oh my God. Whoa. That's beautiful. I'm saying that about everything, but literally everything is so pretty. I am so in love with how this is showing up. This is so cute. Wait, it's making me want to do another shade. We cannot just stop there. We need to do another. We need to pop a color. Let's not be afraid of color this year, guys. I'm talking to myself. So let's do green. This is beautiful. If any of the babes are going to Coachella, this would be perfect. These shadow sticks are literally perfect for Coachella. Please, somebody do it. I'm not going. I'm also kind of curious to see what this yellow looks like, and this is in the shade Gold Stud. So I'm thinking right here we try. Oh, it's beautiful. It's so pretty. This would be flawless on the lips as well. I am feeling this. It's so beautiful. I love anything sparkly. What can I say? Okay, so what are we trying next? Mascara, of course. I received about 4 different mascaras, but I really want to try the Prada one, so let's just do it. So here is the Prada mascara. I really wanted to try this because of the way the wand looked. I don't know, I feel like it could be a cool lengthening mascara. I'm hoping that's what this is. I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Lord knows I need a new lash curler so bad. It's actually kind of pathetic at this point. It is a one-sided brush wand. I have never used a mascara like that before. Let's see. I like it. I'm not being really wowed right now though. Maybe I will try another mascara. That used to be a thing I would do. I would stack so many different mascaras, Lord have mercy. and try one of the other mascaras as well. So I'm going to go in with the MAC mascara that I also received. This is the MAC Stack Elevated. And just classic mascara wand. Love that. This one has more of a curve to it, so hopefully we'll get more of a curl and a lift. And we're going to use this one for my bottom lashes. It is now time to move on to my favorite part of makeup, which is my lips. And I have a new lip liner from Sweet Beauty, and we also got some lip products from Valentino Beauty. So let's make that the lip combo. First, going to go in with the Sweet lip liner, which is so pretty, and I love any lip liner that comes with a frickin' brush. All lip liners should come with brushes. So I'm going to go in with a darker shade of lip liner, and this is by MAC in the shade Root for me. It's also like a deep burgundy red, not necessarily brown, so I feel like it would look really pretty with this. Now for whatever lipstick we are going to use, we're going to go in with the Valentino Beauty. Very beautiful color, and it's in the shade Spike Valentino. So now I'm just going to add the finishing touches to this look, which is, I actually forgot to contour with my Holy Grail Fenty. I know I contoured with the e.l.f. bronzing camo bronzer, but I have to contour with my Fenty or else the look just really isn't complete. So we're gonna do that, and I also need to do a quick contour to my nose, and this look will be finished. And while I love this lip so much, for the ultimate summer girl outside vibe, I feel like this needs to be a gloss lip. So I'm going to go in with this Forget the Filler Lip Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss by Lawless. This is in the shade Rosy Outlook. I knew it. I knew we needed a gloss. This really just elevated her. Now I'm feeling the look, and we can complete this with our setting spray. We will be using the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay, which was also gifted to us, so thank you. I absolutely love this setting spray. So here's the final look, and I absolutely love it. I think it came out super pretty, especially to be trying new products for the first time, but I will definitely be using these products again, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys next time. Do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions about any of the products, please leave them down below, and I will be sure to answer all of them. Bye!